Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Open Melon Playground and switch to sandbox mode so you control every variable. Spawn terrain, a body of water, and 2 to 3 object groups to act as seeds for the disaster. Once done, open the editor and set physics quality to 0. 5.1. 0 to balance realism versus performance. This prevents immediate instability. Now select the assets you'll manipulate and place them near one another. This proximity is why events will cascade quickly when triggered. Now you construct the core mechanism. Attach joints and anchors to critical objects, using hinges where rotation will amplify damage. Then add impulse triggers and particle emitters. Set emitters to burst mode so effects happen suddenly. Make sure to layer forces, apply wind, tweak gravity scale, and add small explosive impulses to create complex interactions. Once those elements are placed, use timed events to sequence failures so one collapse causes another. This chaining is what makes the disaster feel dynamic. You're ready to run the simulation. Press play and watch how cascades develop, then pause to note where chains stall or explode too violently. Make incremental adjustments to force magnitudes, delay timings, and collider sizes so interactions read as natural. Once satisfied, save the preset for reuse. If performance or clipping breaks the scene, lower particle count, reduce physics quality, or reset object constraints. This troubleshooting step quickly fixes crashes and stuck objects, so you can iterate without losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.